Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Screen is
Yes, it's visible.
yes. Okay, fine. So in the class, we are going to discuss few additional problems in functions of several variables. Okay. Quick recap on this. We can view that rulers. Okay. If z equal to f of x comma y is a function of two variables, then it is said to be the function of several variables. Then we have discussed that dz we can write dz is dou f by dou x dx plus dou f by dou y dy. It is one formula. That formula is known as the total differentiation. Similarly, if z is the function of x comma y, x is some function of t, and y is some function of t, then dz by dt equal to dou f by dou x into dx by dt plus dou f by dou y into dy by dt. So it is the first formula. It is the second formula. And then one more formula is that this formula is based on the total differential. See, problems will come based on these two formulas. And then one more important formula is there. If z is the function of x comma y, x is the function of u comma v, and y is that one more function of u comma v. So first we are taking z equal to f of x comma y. Then we are extending the concept z equal to function of not only x comma y, x is the function of t, y is the function of t. This is known as that function of function. Function of function. Similarly, if we write that function of function, if z is that f of x comma y, x is the function of u comma v, y is that function of u comma v. At the time we can write that two formulas, dou z by dou x, not dou x, dou u dou z by dou u big blue, no? Dou z by dou u equal to dou z by dou x dou x by dou u plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou u. Equation number 3. Dou z by dou v is dou z by dou x by dou v plus dou z by dou y by dou v. So through symbolic we can write that if z is that function of x and y, then this formula will come, first formula. Then we are extending that z is that function of x and y. X and y is the function of t. X and y is the function of t. That is, we are extending that. It is like a tree actually. So next one is z is the function of x and y. X is the function of u and v. Y is the function of u and v. So these concepts we have discussed. Based on this, we can discuss one or two problems here. Already we discussed many problems. Even few doubts are there in this. For example, based on the total differential, we'll see the problem. Actually, I repeatedly mentioned inside the class, if any doubt is there, you can clear the class itself, because even we don't know what are the doubts you are having. If you are asking without asking, you are not able to solve that. Okay, so here first problem we can see that find dz by dt when z equal to xy square plus x square y, where x equal to 8 square, y equal to 280. This is the problem. So here see that first you should know which formula you are going to use. That it is very important. You have to see that z is a function of x and y. So see this tree. In the tree, which one is applicable, then you can use this formula. So this formula dz by dt equal to, they are asking the dz by dt na. So this formula you have to use it. This formula you have to use it. So that is the idea you should get, particularly in which problem, which formula you are going to use. Okay, so here we can draw this tree. Z is the
Sir,
function of, yes.
sir, keep the link in the group, sir. So all will join.
Uh, why? With that GCR we are joined through GCR only, na?
Okay. Sir. Why? Because all are waiting for the link only.
Not link. It is GCR link only.
Okay. Sir.
Everyone is joining through GCR. I started the class through GCR only. See, online class means it is only that link. It is not live class. Live mean YouTube class. It is not YouTube. It is a live class only. No, no. It is that online class only. X and Y. X and Y is the function of t. See that. X and Y is the function of t. Is it clear? Everyone is joining or not? Okay, I can send that message. Join through GCM. Yeah, they are asking about that, whether you are going to take the attendance or not. Join through GCR. Okay, I'm sending the message. Anybody is waiting? Because that limited period we can at least cover few things. So here many of them are joining. Huh? Yes, okay, fine. No one is waiting here, no? This guy. Yes, yes. Next time, in case anybody is not joining through GCR, sorry, joining in GCR means please you contact me in the class. I can join you in the class. Fine. So see the problem here. So in the problem, find dz by dt when z equal to xy square plus x square y. This is a very simple problem. You see that it is very clear. Z is the function of x and y. X is the function of t, y is the function of t. At the time, you can find here dou z by dou x here, dou z by dou y here. But x and y is the function of only one variable. At the time, you can find the dx by dt, dy by dt. So here we can write the formula dz by dt formula. That is dou z by dou x into dx by dt plus dou z by dou y into dy by dt. So what is dou z by dou x? Z is xy square plus x square y, na? Dou z by dou x is y square plus 2xy. Dou z by dou y is 2xy plus x square. So when you are differentiate with respect to x means you have to keep it that y as constant. Here also when you are differentiate with respect to y, keep it x as constant. And then you have to differentiate dx by x with respect to d means you will get dx by dt. Dx by dt. Dx by dt is 80 square 280. Dy by dt equal to 2a. So substituting all the values here in dz by dt, dz by dt equal to y square plus 2xy and then multiply with 280 plus 2xy plus x square into 2a. Now you have to substitute that x and y here. You will get that so 280 keep it that multiply with y square means 280 square plus already 2 is there 480 multiple with 80 square. X is 80 square, y is what 280 plus 2a into 2 4a. Substituting x and y, x is 80 square 280 plus remaining 2a is the last one, x square we need to calculate 80 square whole square, 80 square whole square. So that you will get that 8 a cube t cube 8 a cube t cube plus 8 a cube 8 a cube t power 4 plus 8 a cube t cube plus 2a cube t power 4. So finally we will get that 8a cube t cube, 8a cube t cube is 16a cube t cube, and then 8 plus 2, 10 a cube t power 4. So that is 2a cube t cube, take it outside, 8 plus 5t, that is the value of dz by dt. See here, when you are finding the dz by dt, it should not contain x and y. Okay, here you can write the dz by dt, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y is x and y, okay. But after that, x and y are that function of t, compulsory you have to substitute x and t. Finally, you should get the answer in the function of t only. That answer should not contain any x and y. See that very carefully. Okay, is it clear? If any doubt is there, you can ask me. So we are taking that. What is the problem? Many of them are joining, is very late now. Find dz by dt when z equal to xy square plus x square y, where x equal to 8 square, y equal to 280. It is the function. So here first you have to see that z is a function of x and y, x is the function of t, y is the function of t. In the total differential, any specific doubt is there, please ask. In the total differential, if anybody having any doubts, please let me know. Just wait, someone is waiting here. Is waiting. Fine. See, in the topic, in the total differential, any specific doubt is there? Okay, it is one type of problem. Next type of problem is second problem. I can write here. If u equal to x square minus y square, and one more thing, if you are studying that mathematics, just you are go through the mathematics, at the time you can able to, yes, we can thought that I can understand the problem, but it is not good actually. You have to be work out one or two times, practice only, you will be get that a clear cut idea. That solving that many problems is not important, that understanding the concept is important. Without understanding, if you are solving even that 100 problem, it is totally waste. Okay, so please understand the concept, easily you can solve it. Phi of u comma v, then show that dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square equal to 4 x square plus y square dou square pi by dou e square plus dou square pi by dou v square. Okay, so here it is somewhat different from that first problem. First problem, z is the function of u, x and y. X and y is the function of t only. But here u and v is the function of u and v is that function of x and y. F of x comma y is pi of u comma v. So therefore f is the function of x and y. So first we can find that dou f by dou x. So we can write that u is the function of x and y. V is also the function of x and y. Okay, but pi is the function of u comma v. Therefore we can write that dou f by dou x equal to, here we can write that the tree here, pi is the function of u and v, u is the function of x comma y, v is the function of x comma y. Okay, so dou f by dou x equal to dou pi by the left hand side, f of x comma y equal to pi of u comma v is there na? Based on that we can write that dou pi by dou v into dou u by dou x plus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou x. So you will get that dou pi by dou u into dou u by dou x is 2x plus dou pi by dou v into 2y. Okay, so first we have to find dou f by dou x. That is, in terms of pi we can write dou pi by dou x into dou u by dou x plus dou pi by dou v by dou x. Okay, because here given that f of x comma y equal to pi of u comma v, but u and v is given here, but x and y is not there. Otherwise we can convert into that x and y in terms of u and v, then we can calculate. Even we can calculate that dou pi by dou u also. If you are converting that, this v equal to 2xy. For example, um, u and v can be converted into x and y. How can you convert it into x and y is, in case if you are writing that x equal to some v by 2y like that, then you can convert this. Okay, so otherwise directly we can solve it. U equal to x square minus y square, v equal to 2xy. So based on this we can solve here. Dou square f by dou x square is dou square pi by dou x square into 4x square plus it is like that dou by uv method. Actually dou pi by dou x of 2x is there na. See, dou square f by dou x square means dou by dou x of this left hand side. That means dou pi by dou x into 2x. So it is like uv method. First we can keep it that dou pi by dou x and then dou by dou x of this 2x is 2, and then once again you have to differentiate that pi. Okay, so u is x square, once again you will get the 2x here, therefore 4x square, then 2 dou pi by dou x plus dou pi by dou y into 4y square, which is equation number 1. Similarly dou f by dou y, dou f by dou y is dou by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou pi by dou v dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou y. So dou pi by dou u minus 2y plus dou pi by dou v into 2x. Now once again, if you are differentiating that, dou square f by dou y square is dou square pi by dou u square. Actually here dou u square should come here. Sorry, here you should get dou u square is 4x square, dou pi by dou u you should get, and then dou pi by dou v you should get here. Please correct dou v. Similarly here dou square pi by dou u square into 4y square plus dou pi by dou u into minus 2 plus dou square pi by dou v square into 4x square. So it is equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2, that gives that dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square equal to, so here we are taking that dou square 4x square 4y square common, then dou square pi by dou u square plus dou square pi by dou v square and then 4x square plus 4y square. Then finally you will get that 4x square plus y square into dou square pi by dou u square plus dou square pi by dou v square. So here you have to change this, that is not x square, actually u square, and then dou pi by dou u and then dou pi by dou v here. In case the problem is given like that, find only dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x e power minus y minus 2y e power x equal to 1. So this type of function is known as that in the format of f of x comma y, that's equal to x e power minus y minus 2y e power x minus 1 equal to 0. That means if f of x comma y equal to 0, is known as.
Sir, on your mic and tell.
It is on only, na? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Hello, sir.
So your mic is off.
Sir, your mic is off.
Wait a minute. See. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Just wait. I need to reset these settings. Okay, fine. So if f of x comma y equal to 0, it is known as implicit function. For that implicit function, dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy is the formula. So therefore, that is equal to, if you are differentiate this f of x comma y with respect to x, means minus you put here e power minus y minus 2y e power x divided by, if you are differentiate with respect to y, that f of x comma y is, x is a constant, keep it x, then e power minus y is minus of x e power minus y minus 2 e power x. So that is e power y e power minus y minus 2y e power x divided by x e power minus y plus 2e power x. It is a very simple problem. The differentiation of implicit function is that very simple problem. More example, find dy by dx if cos x whole power y equal to sin y whole power x. If it is the given problem, then if you are able to write that, otherwise just you listen this problem, afterwards you can do. So what is given here, cos x whole power y equal to sin y whole power x. If you are taking log on both sides, we will get that y log cos x equal to x log sin y. So that is f of x comma y equal to 0 format. That is f of x comma y equal to y log cos x minus x log sin y equal to 0. Therefore, it is the implicit function. is the implicit function. So dy by dx formula is minus fx by fy. This f of x comma y differentiate with respect to x. I will get that. So if you are differentiate with respect to x means keep it y as constant, keep it y here. Differentiation of log cos x is 1 by cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x minus differentiate with respect to x. Now y is constant, therefore differentiation of x is 1, log sin y will be there, divided by, if you are differentiating with respect to y, differentiation of y is 1, log cos x you will get minus x is constant with respect to y, differentiation of log sin y is 1 by sin y, differentiation of sin y is cos y, that is equal to dy by dx equal to y tan x, minus is there inside outside, this minus multiply that y tan x plus log sin y divided by log cos x minus x cot y. See, this is the total differentiation. In the total differentiation, three topics are there. One is only z is a function of x comma y, that is one type. Second type is z is the function of x and y. X and y is a function of u and v. Okay, it is a second type. Third type is f of x comma y equal to 0. So only thing is you have to be identify the problem, which formula you are going to use. If any specific doubt is there in that the particular problem, can you tell me that, we will discuss more. So for the cycle test, total differentiation is there. Next topic is the Taylor series actually. Taylor series. Please note down that, see, Lagrange's multiplier method is there for the cycle test. A general maximum minima is not there. Okay. Even I have announced in the class this one. For example, Taylor series, there are two types of the Taylor series is there. One is Taylor series expansion, Taylor series at the point a comma b. Second one is Taylor series at the point of origin. The Taylor series at the point of origin is known as Maclaurin's series. Okay. See, even yesterday I have sent that blueprint for that cycle test. Is it not? Can you tell me? Three into 8 marks. So how many marks? 3 into 8 mark, 24 mark. 2 into 13 marks, 26, totally 50 mark. But here one choice may be there, na? 4 out of 3, sorry, 3 out of 4, and then 3 out of 2, sorry, 2 out of 3. Okay, in the Taylor series problem, any doubt is there? Expand x square y equal to plus 3y minus 2 in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2 using Taylor series or Taylor's theorem. Up to terms of second degree. Here, see, Taylor series at the point is given, but here in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2 is given here in the problem. So that means here the same thing we can write that the Taylor series expansion of x square y plus 3y minus 2 at the point of, what is at the point of, anybody? In powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2 means at the point of what?
1 comma minus 2.
At the point of 1 comma minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yes. So write the solution. See, generally when you are writing the solution, the first step is, very first step is, you have to write that the formula, because the formula some marks are there, and it is that benefit also to recap that problem. The Taylor's series expansion, the Taylor series expansion of f of x comma y in powers of x minus a and y minus b is f of x comma y equal to what? F of a comma b plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus a fx of a comma b plus y minus b fy of a comma b. Up to second degree we have to write 1 by 2 factorial x minus a whole square fxx of a comma b plus 2 into x minus a y minus b fxy of a comma b plus y minus b whole square fyy of a comma b plus etc. So up to second degree we can find here. So what is f of x comma y here? Here f of x comma y equal to x square y plus 3y minus 2. So here what is a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2. Therefore f of 1 comma minus 2 is 1 square minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 2. So you will get that minus 10 for this. Next we are going to find that the first order derivatives. First order derivatives. So what are the first order here? Fx of x comma y is equal to 2xy. Then what is fx of 1 comma minus 2 is that minus 4. Then fy of x comma y is x square plus 3. So fy of 1 comma minus 2, substituting x equal to 1, then we will get that 4. Then come to the second order. This is the first one is 0th order, and then first order, then second order. What is fxx? Fxx of x comma y is a differentiate with respect to x again. You will get the 2y. Therefore fxx of 1 comma minus 2 is that fxx of 1 comma minus 2 is minus 4. Then fxy of x comma y is 2x. Then fxy of 1 comma minus 2 is 2. Finally one more value is there, fyy. Fyy of x comma y equal to 0. So therefore fyy of 1 comma minus 2 also 0. Now you have to substitute all the values in the formula. So what is the formula here? F of x comma y equal to f of 1 comma minus 2 plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus 1 fx of 1 comma minus 2 plus y plus 2 fy of 1 comma minus 2 plus 1 by 2 factorial x minus 1 whole square fxx of 1 comma minus 2 plus 2 x minus 1 y plus 2 fxy of 1 comma minus 2 plus y plus 2 y plus 2 whole square fyy of 1 comma minus 2 plus etc. But what is f of x comma y here? Left hand side, x square y plus 3y minus 2 equal to minus 10 plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus 1 Venkata something. Who's making that noise? It is recording now. Fine. Y plus 2 into 4, close this, plus 1 by 2 factorial. Only interested person can join. It is not compulsory. Minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 1, y plus 2 to 2, close the bracket. Okay, so it is up to that. It is a 0th order, it is a first order, it is a second order. See that all the terms in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2. Please verify this. You are writing the answer in terms of x minus 1 and y plus 2. Okay, finally what you get? Minus 10 minus 4 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y plus 2 minus 2 into x minus 1 whole square plus 2 into x minus 1 and y plus 2 plus x minus 1 whole square into y plus 2. Now you have to see in this problem. So here, those who are not writing, no issue at all. I will send this video material for you. You can go through this. See here, one important thing is whether the Taylor series is given at the point is given or at the origin is given, or in powers of given, in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2. Even at the origin also they will ask us in powers of x and y, they will ask. Okay, fine. So this is important things you have to be follow. Now in the class we are discussing the two things. One is the total derivative, second one is Taylor's theorem. Tomorrow I will take that revision class for that. Two things are there. One is Jacobian and then constraint maxima minima. In the constraint maxima minima, only 2 or 3 problems remain. Then I will take. In middle you can go through that one more time my notes. Okay, if you feel any difficulties there, you can directly come and meet me in my room, my office. My office is UB 1021. Okay, at any time I can ready to explain at any concept. Even in unit 1, any doubt is there, particularly in unit 1, any topic, any particular topic, any things are there. How can you identify that eigenvector Is it any doubt is there in particular finding eigenvector, eigenvalue? See, as I told that you can use that the calculator. I'm having the list for the calculator. Calculate list I am having. Just wait, I will tell you that what are the types of calculator you can use. Having that list. Long before I was having that. Currently okay, it is try to find it, otherwise I will send it through WhatsApp. What are the types of calculator you can use in that for that examination? You can use that same calculator for university examination also. Okay, that file is not available with me. I will ask with that exam cell. I will send it to you. Okay, if there is no other doubt, you can leave that class now. You can leave the class now. You can stop share.
Sir, attendance, sir.
No attendance, no. It is additional class only. Today there is no class to you. Class are cancelled.
Okay, sir.
No, it is your interest only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I thought you will take attendance, so
No,
that's why
no,
I
no,
asked.
no. Today, even tomorrow class also I will not take any attendance.
Oh, okay, sir.
No, no. Just it is for that benefit for you. I am taking the
Yes, sir.
additional class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why
Yes,
it
sir.
is the doubt clearing class I clearly mentioned.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. If
Yes, sir.
any other
Got it.
doubt is there, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Let's see.